Today I'm taking out the wireless USB adapter. So there it is. It is a very nice silver case on the outside. It feels like that is plastic. It has some venting on the back. On the side we got our USB-C port and we got an LED indicator. And we got two cables. So we got a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-A to USB-C. And the last thing is some 3M adhesive. So if we want to, we can mount this thing directly to the car so we don't have to worry about this thing bouncing around. So first we're going to plug this guy in, and we can see it does light up on the top, so we know this thing's on. But the car did automatically detect it, so it's detecting it as CarPlay. Okay, so it did pick it up right away, and it is listing it as the smart adapter. And we are paired. Okay, that's cool. So now I can listen to my audio, I can get my maps, I can do everything I would normally be able to do by plugging this in, but now I can do it wirelessly. So I'm curious if I shut my car off. All right, so now if I restart my car, will it pick that back up? Okay. Wow, and it automatically just started playing. So yeah, it does remember my phone. My phone remembers it. From this point forward, I can just get in my car, start it, hit continue a couple times, and I will be ready to go. So overall, that is a very cool adapter.